This 2019 Winnebago Travato 59G is a Class B RV. It is located in Port Charlotte, FL 33980 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Fort Myers. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 21 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2019 Winnebago Travato 59G is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.